Hi, Kwik Brain. Welcome to today's special Thanksgiving episode. Now, we all know this is a time to gather with loved ones, enjoy some great food, and reflect on what you're grateful for. But today, regardless of where you live in the world and what you celebrate, I want to dive in deeper into the power of gratitude, not just for your spirit and your emotions, but for your brain and mental performance. Did you know that practicing gratitude regularly can physically change your brain for the better? Now, we've done a few podcast episodes about the science of gratitude and how to create great habits and practices in your daily routine. I highly recommend you listen or you watch them. We will link them in the description, as we often do, and also in the podcast notes, which is your most valuable resource, where we summarize, we give links to the tools and recommendations at jimkwik.com/notes. So you can go there every week. So let's break it down for you. The science of gratitude and the brain. When you feel gratitude, your brain releases neurotransmitters like dopamine and serotonin. These are chemicals that help you feel good and regulate your mood. Gratitude activates the brain's reward systems, which leads to feelings of pleasure and satisfaction. Plus, it strengthens the neural pathways associated with emotional regulation and empathy. Over time, practicing gratitude rewires your brain, creating new patterns that help you stay focused and positive. This isn't just about feeling good, though. It's about thinking better. Gratitude improves cognitive function, enhances your problem-solving skills. It reduces stress. It boosts your resilience. So if you want to be more mentally sharp, creative, productive, gratitude is your superpower. Here at Kwik Brain, you know I love my acronyms because they help us more easily remember things very quickly. So today, I'm giving you the Thanksgiving formula to help you practice gratitude and enhance your brain's performance. So let's break it down. Thanksgiving. The T stands for take a moment. Take a moment. Every day, take just a few minutes to pause and reflect on what you are grateful for. This small practice can have a huge impact on your mindset and your mood. The H in Thanksgiving, heartfelt gratitude. What do I mean? Feel it in your heart. Don't just go through the motions and think about it. Connect with that feeling. When you combine emotion with thought, your brain remembers it better. The A in Thanksgiving, appreciate. Appreciate what? The small things. It doesn't have to be big wins. Appreciate the small joys. It could be your morning coffee, a smile from a stranger. Training your brain to notice these boosts your positivity. The N in Thanksgiving, notice. Notice negativity. Catch your negative thoughts. Then shift your focus back to where? To gratitude. When you catch yourself spiraling into stress, ask yourself this question: what can I be grateful for in this moment? The K in Thanksgiving, kindness. Kindness matters. Gratitude and kindness go hand in hand. When you're grateful, you're more likely to act kindly towards others, and kindness boosts your brain's reward system too. The S in Thanksgiving, start journaling. Start journaling. Write down 3 things you're grateful for each day. You could pause this and do it now. Research shows that writing your gratitude down helps solidify those neural connections in your brain. None of the ingredients contained in the Kwik Mind product are claimed to treat any disease or health condition. Consult your own physician before commencing a nootropic regimen to ensure that this product is appropriate for you. Do you struggle to stay focused or find that your mind wanders when you need to be sharp? Are you looking for an advantage or an edge that can eliminate sluggishness and elevate your cognitive performance? That's why, after decades of research and development, I'm thrilled to bring you Kwik Mind. It's more than just a supplement. It's a key to unlocking your cognitive freedom on a day-to-day basis. Just imagine having the clarity of thought, sharp focus, better memory, and being calm under pressure. Every capsule of Kwik Mind is a blend of 5 pristine ingredients, each backed by research and chosen for its ability to support specific cognitive functions. So, are you ready to meet the sharpest version of yourself? It's just a click away. We have it all at kwikmind.com, kwikmind.com. Place your order for Kwik Mind today and join a community that's redefining what it means to live a life of mental abundance. The G in Thanksgiving, give. What are you doing? Give thanks. Give it publicly. Don't just keep gratitude to yourself. Share it with others. Call, text, tell someone face to face how much you appreciate them. This spreads that positivity and also your performance. The I in Thanksgiving, intentional. You want to be intentional with your focus. Be intentional with your gratitude. Focus on specific people, experiences, or moments, rather than giving generic thanks. Being specific boosts the emotional impact. The V in Thanksgiving, you can imagine, it's visualize. You want to visualize your success. Gratitude isn't just about what already happened. Visualize your future success and feel grateful for it in advance. This primes your brain for its achievement. The I stands for increase. What are you going to increase? Increase your awareness. Notice how gratitude changes your brain and your mood over time. Keep track of the improvements that you're experiencing in focus. Maybe it's in stress reduction. Maybe it's in your overall happiness. And the N is nurture. And I want you to nurture your relationships. Gratitude strengthens your social bonds. When you express appreciation for those around you, you create a deeper connection, which are vital for your mental health. And then finally, the G, the last G in Thanksgiving, gratitude as a daily habit. Remember this, consistency compounds. Consistency is key. The more you practice gratitude, the stronger the impact on your brain. So make it a daily habit, like brushing your teeth. You can even do your gratitude exercises when you're brushing your teeth or eating your breakfast. Remember in closing that gratitude is like a mental workout. The more you practice, the stronger your brain gets. This Thanksgiving and every day after that, challenge yourself to use the Thanksgiving method to train your mind to focus on the positive, connect with others, and fuel your mental performance. Gratitude is a game changer for your mind, and with it, you will be limitless. Thank you so much for tuning in, Kwik Brain. I'm grateful for each and every one of you. Now go out there, have a happy Thanksgiving filled with gratitude and brain-boosting power. Remember, you are faster and smarter than you think. So keep practicing gratitude and let it transform your brain for the better. And if you enjoyed this episode, please share it with someone that you are thankful for. And be sure to subscribe to our podcast, whatever platform you're listening to this, and join our 1.6 million subscribers on YouTube. Because how do you become limitless in a limited world? We do it together. We'll see you in our next episode. Until then, be limitless.